Hello everyone and welcome back to Learning with the Difference. This video is related to how to present news in the school morning assembly. Good morning everyone. This is Mohini from class 8. Today's news headlines are Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana to be extended till March 2022. Mamata Banerjee meets Pradhan Mantri Modi ji, demands withdrawal of BSF jurisdiction extension. Andhra seeks 1,000 crore for immediate post-rain relief. India's fertility rate drops below 2.1, population stabilizing NFHS data. Amitabh Bachchan sends legal notice to Pan Masala brand. Regular international flights to resume by 2021 end. International flights to return to normal by year end, Civil Aviation Secretary. And now some international news. Pakistan informs India about allowing shipment of 50,000 tons of wheat for Afghanistan. China slams us for inviting Taiwan to Democracy Summit. Canada, Justin Trudeau government formulates new Indo-Pacific strategy. IMF warns El Salvador to consider risk of Bitcoin as legal tender. Now some sports news. Indonesia Open, Kidambi Shrikant defeats HS Pranoy to enter next round. And that's all. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.